In a significant development amidst the ongoing conflict between Israel and militant groups, Hezbollah announced on Tuesday, June 11, that one of its high-ranking commanders, Talib Abdullah, was killed in an Israeli strike in southern Lebanon. Abdullah, also known as Abu Talib, is one of the highest-ranking Hezbollah fighters to be killed since the war in Gaza escalated on October 7, following a Hamas-led attack. Hezbollah, the Iran-backed militant group, confirmed Abdullah's death in a statement, indicating his senior status within the organization by posting his photo. The group referred to his death as occurring on the road to Jerusalem, a term they commonly use to describe casualties resulting from Israeli strikes. This phrase underscores the group's long-standing enmity with Israel and their ongoing conflict. The death of Abdullah has heightened concerns of further escalation along Israel's northern border. Following the strike, nearly 80 rockets were launched by Hezbollah into northern Israeli communities, significantly increasing cross-border hostilities. The Israeli Defense Forces responded with multiple airstrikes. They targeted a building used by Hezbollah, a rocket launching site, and other infrastructures in Etaron, southern Lebanon. Additionally, a Hezbollah rocket launching cell was struck in a drone attack in Deir Amis. The IDF also downed a drone that had crossed into Israel from Lebanon in the Upper Galilee region. The Hezbollah-affiliated newspaper Al-Akhbar reported that at least 4 other individuals were killed in the strike. Lebanese security sources speaking to Reuters confirmed that 3 additional Hezbollah operatives died. The IDF's actions also included targeting a site in Baalbek region associated with Hezbollah's Unit 4400, along with other locations in southern Lebanon. This incident marks a significant point in the ongoing conflict between Israel and Hezbollah, exacerbating an already volatile situation. Since the escalation began in Gaza in October, tensions have been rising on Israel's northern front, with frequent cross-border exchanges of fire. The death of a prominent commander like Talib Abdullah is likely to provoke further retaliation from Hezbollah, posing a risk of wider conflict in the region. Hezbollah has a history of significant leaders being targeted by Israel. In January, the group reported the death of Wissam Hassan al-Tawil, a commander in its elite Radwan unit, also due to an Israeli strike. The group's consistent losses of high-ranking figures underscore the intense and ongoing conflict between Hezbollah and Israel.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.